Thank you, Matt, for that introduction. Again, we are Azumo, and I'm excited today to be presenting our webinar on choosing the right display for your next application. What we hope we're going to get out of this webinar is a baseline understanding of the types of display technologies available today and some of the key design considerations and specifications that designers use. As Matt mentioned, my name is Greg Kachuris, product manager here at Azumo. With me is Mike Casper, our CEO and co-founder.
Thanks, Greg, and thanks, Matt. Happy to be here today. Looking forward to the discussion.
A little bit about Azumo. We were founded in 2008 with the goal of making displays more efficient, effective, and safe for all users. We have 52 patents in optics, manufacturing methodologies, and product applications. And additionally, we are a Sharp value-added partner, and our technology has been integrated with multiple display makers, including Sharp, Kyocera, JDI, and others. So starting today, right, we want to talk about what should you be thinking as you're designing your display, and really it's all about your users, right? The most important consideration is how are they intended to use it? How are they going to use your device, right? And I like to look at it the way that maybe a reporter looks at things. What is the who, what, when, where, and why, right? I'll start with where, right? Where is this product going to be used? Will it primarily be used indoors or outdoors? Are there any environmental aspects that need to be considered? Will the display be subject to extreme environmental temperatures, right? Who is this going to be using their product, and how are they going to use it? Will they be carrying it all day with them? Will they be able to dock onto the device in a charging station when not in use? Will the display employ a touchscreen or be a physical keypad? All of these things are going to be talking about how you're interacting, and we'll tell you what kind of display might be best for your application.